I am Palash Senior Assistant Teacher. My dear students, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. You know, all educational institutions of Bangladesh are closed as per government decision. So, we will continue our classes on the online system. Already we have finished chapter 7, How Things Are Made of. We have discussed about the word meaning, true, false, fill in the blanks, question answer, matching and MCQ. I hope you have finished all the topics. So today we will discuss about our new chapter. Our new chapter, chapter 8, name of chapter Air. We know air is our important element in our life. In this chapter, we will discuss about the following topics. What is air? How many items in the air and which items of the air are harmful and helpful, and from this chapter we know what is wind and what is the effect of the wind in our life. So at first we read out the chapter, then we will continue our another topics. My dear student, listen to me carefully. Chapter 8, Air. You will learn that the air around us contains gases, dust, smoke and germs. Some gases are needed for life, others are harmful. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. Moving air is called wind. Here, the air around us, but we cannot see, seen. But we know it is there and here, and we know many things about it. All things needed air to live. Air contains many small particles. There are some small that we cannot be seen. Air contains smoke and small bits of ash. Smoke, dust and ash get into the air in a number of ways. Here from this chapter we know air is around us but we cannot see. All living things needed to live air. Air contains many small particles, and as for example, smoke, bits of ash, dust, etc. etc. And these particles mixed with the air in number of ways. We cannot see these particles in empty eyes. When we use microscope or electronic microscope, then we can see these particles. So from this chapter we know air is our essential element and we cannot live without air. So everybody try to read out this chapter at home. If you don't understand, you will ask me. No more today. On the next day we will discuss another page. So thanks to all.